Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. It is finally Friday afternoon. A very warm start to this afternoon. Beautiful blue skies right now. It is a bit breezy out there. We've got winds from the south to southeast between 17 to 21 miles an hour with some gusts. A gust of 28 miles an hour in Port Isabel and 26 in Harlingen. It was a nice start this morning. We had lows or temperatures this morning in the 60s and at one point in the upper 50s in Harlingen. Hope you like the temperatures this morning because it is warming up for this weekend. Temperatures right now are in the mid to upper 80s, 85 here at the station. Your day planner forecast, very warm throughout the afternoon, mostly sunny and breezy. We're up to 92 degrees at 3 p.m., 89 at 6 p.m., and 86 degrees at 9 o'clock this evening. We'll have mostly clear skies for tonight and still a bit on the breezy side into this evening. A couple of events for you tomorrow night in Edinburgh. We have the Night of Heroes, a 5K run for autism, Buddy Fun Walk. It looks quiet for tomorrow evening, but very warm early on with temperatures in the upper 80s at 6 p.m. under mostly sunny skies. Should be mostly clear at 8 p.m. tomorrow with temperatures in the mid 80s. We're down to 80 degrees at 10 p.m. and it is partly cloudy. And of course, for Sunday in McAllen, KRGV is a part of this. It's our Together for Our Health event, April 2nd. And the McAllen Convention Center, temperatures right around 80 at 9 a.m. on Sunday, mostly sunny skies, partly cloudy at noon with temperatures in the upper 80s. Look at 4 p.m. We're back to 95 degrees under mostly sunny skies with a very slight chance of a shower in the afternoon. So here's a service map, the front that passed through our areas well to the east of us now in the Florida Panhandle. Another front out west in New Mexico and Arizona. One warm front pushing northward toward the Texas Panhandle. So behind that warm front, the temperatures are in the 70s in places like Austin, Abilene, and Odessa. But ahead of it, look at that, 48 degrees in Amarillo, 59 in Oklahoma City, right now 75 in San Antonio. So on Future Track for us, get ready for a hot and breezy weekend, especially for today and for tomorrow. One warm front pushes northward. Another front heads into central and east Texas, but for us, no cold air behind it. It stays hot throughout the weekend into the start of next week, but finally, some relief perhaps on the way for the second half of next week as another front passes through. So we are thinking that this front arrives by early next Wednesday, so it should be finally cooler just in time for Wednesday afternoon and especially Wednesday night and Thursday morning. By Wednesday night, we could see low temperatures dip into the mid-50s. Here's the marine forecast for this afternoon. Small craft should use caution. We'll have winds from the southeast at 15 to 20 knots. The bay waters are choppy. We are done with tides for today, so the next tide is a low tide tomorrow morning at 12:40 a.m. and the seas are 2 to 4 feet. Your forecast for the rest of this Friday afternoon, mainly sunny, very warm, even hot with a high temperature of 92. Also breezy with some gusts. We'll have winds from the south to southeast at 12 to 22 miles an hour, gusting at times. So not a bad day to fly the kite once again. Then for this evening, a clear night. It's mild, still breezy with low temperatures right around 72 degrees. So here's that 7-day forecast. I know it's going to be a hot one for this weekend. Temperatures lower 90s tomorrow, mid 90s on Sunday. We have a very slight chance of a shower on Sunday with front number 1, but that's about it. Then behind the front, at least it's less humid for Monday. Still warm and hot during the day with highs in the mid-90s, but we're down to 62 for Monday morning for the low temperature, up to 96 Tuesday. That second front comes in Wednesday. There may be a little better chance for some showers, but look at that, 84 for the high on Wednesday, perhaps down to 56 degrees by Wednesday night and Thursday morning. That's your first Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Dina.